Hi everyone, welcome to Nano Learn and back to Agile Scrum video series. In today's video, I'll give you an insight about why Scrum certification is important and what are the popular Scrum Master certifications, and finally, what's wrong with a Scrum certification. Before this, please make sure to share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. Let's get started. Let's begin with why a Scrum certification is important. Working with a technology or framework allows us to concentrate on the knowledge areas needed for our everyday job. The certification compels you to study and explore the areas with which you may be unfamiliar. This is also applicable for Scrum. The majority of experienced Scrum practitioners do not view Scrum as a necessity for a Scrum related job. However, a certification may be used as a tiebreaker when two applicants are equally competent for a job position. Additionally, obtaining a Scrum certification is a prerequisite listed by many companies, including both the public and private organizations. Now let's learn about what are the popular Scrum Master certifications. There are two major and popular Scrum Master certifications, which include: the first one is Certified Scrum Master, popularly known as CSM, offered from scrumalliance.org. The second one is the Professional Scrum Master, which is popularly known as PSM, offered from scrum.org. Now let's learn about what's wrong with a Scrum certification. According to the Scrum Guide, Scrum is simple to comprehend but challenging to master. Most people spend only a few hours getting the Scrum up and running. This doesn't make them Scrum experts. A certification could give the impression that you have mastered the Scrum even if you have just recently started using it. Nothing can substitute the experience, just like in any other field of expertise. My experience with Scrum would be to work with and learn from experienced Scrum Masters for at least 1 year. Also, the roles of product owner and developer are equally important. So, one can consider the product owner and developer certifications as well. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day.